Alright, laying up this arm, as you can see, had it tacked down, but it turned out I took it off and put on a level surface and it was not level. This arm was twisted about because this fit too tight. So cut the tacks with the Dremel and then broke the welds the rest of the way, put it back in, and now I have this flat bar and just check all the directions. There's a little bit, but it's pretty good. Alright, so after retacking this arm, laying it on a level surface, it doesn't walk. Before it was doing this like a lot. Now you touch anywhere and there's very little. I'd say it's acceptable. Right, so originally this thing was in here with this, like this, and I just tacked it since this cup has that part to capture the spherical bearing. Can't use this. The thing to note is when you flip it over and put it back in here the other way, it locks in, and so I'm pretty sure that means everything is jigged symmetrically and even. So now I'm going to put these clamps back on and throw some tacks on here and check everything out and then start welding. Laid down the tacks here. Nothing special. Just tacking it together. This one got a little black. I think it's because there's oil inside. Alright, here's the arm on the flat surface again. There is no more side to side, but probably from just the jig itself there is wiggle in plane, which doesn't affect the arm as much as side to side and shouldn't matter. Alright, so I was laying down some weld beads and they're kind of heavy, but I wanted to see if we could capture this sound. Little, there it went, cracking. I think that's just the metal moving around. Doesn't sound like it's coming from the welds. I think it's coming from just the jigging and whatnot.